Hi, welcome to the Hungarian Living Podcast. I'm your host, Elizabeth Saba-Voss. We're on a mission to help you maintain a meaningful connection to Hungarian culture and heritage in a variety of ways. We'll talk about food, travel, history, music, language, genealogy, and more. So whether you know a little or a lot about being Hungarian, this is the place to be. This is Liz with the Hungarian Living Podcast. Hello again, my friends. If you caught a cooking episode, you already know that I've been away on quite a season of travel. Virginia, DC, 2 wonderful weeks in Hungary. We actually were also in the Netherlands for a couple of weeks with Dawn's family. I won't repeat the whole story here, but I will say I am excited to be back to the podcast. As I mentioned on the last episode, having these online get-togethers are an important way to bridge those gaps between live and in-person events. So our Hungarian Connections are a monthly gathering, completely free, completely virtual, where this Hungarian family of ours comes together wherever we're sitting in the world, and there's no travel required. Each month looks a little different, and that's a part of the fun. First of all, everything we do is in English. We typically have a guest speaker joining us, someone who knows something about Hungarian history or food or language, and they enjoy sharing what they know with us. Sometimes we dig into a theme together. Like my tour partner, Andrea, often presents about various regions of Hungary throughout the year. And one of my favorite Hungarian connections was when Réka Bakos talked about the immigration waves to the United States in the fall of 2025. Many of us are trying to learn more about our relatives that journeyed to the United States. Some stayed and some returned. And as we piece together our own stories, it is good to get a better understanding of the why behind the movement of people. And if you missed that episode, we actually did record it, and it is available at the HungarianStore.com website. We'll have a link to that in the show notes. Our next Hungarian Connections is on Sunday, August 2nd at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to be talking all about Tolna County. Why Tolna County? We will be there in June of 2027 on our tour. And so it's going to be good to learn a bit about what's in the area, whether or not you plan to travel with us. Now, maybe you're brand new to all of this. Maybe you just found out your great-grandmother was from a little village outside of Sexard, and you don't know the first thing beyond that. Heritage Connections is for you. And if you've been with us for years, if you know half this family by name already, it's for you too. That's what I love about it. There is always something for everybody. And of course, Heritage Connections is also about how we stay close in the months leading up to our biggest celebration, the Hungarian Heritage Expo, which we hold each year. It's not something you have to wait for a specific month to think about. It's part of the rhythm we build together all year long right here. So here's what I want you to do. Head over to the show notes and sign up for the next Heritage Connections. It all happens on Sunday, August 2nd at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Andrea, my tour partner, will be presenting about the treasures of Tolna County in Hungary. So if you have family in that area, if you're thinking about joining our next tour, or if you just want to learn more about Hungary, here's your chance. It's free, it's in English, and we will meet on Zoom. If you have not been a part of our Heritage Connections presentations before, they're well worth your time, and you meet some great people and learn about a variety of Hungarian-related things. We will see you there. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode of the Hungarian Living Podcast, please share it with someone you know who loves their Hungarian heritage. And sign up for our newsletter and catalog at HungarianLiving.com. There's a link in the show notes. Special thanks to Stephen Chichek and the Animal Cannibals for the show music.